Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how to add posts on Facebook. Maybe you want to add your post on Facebook for your friends to see it. So today, I am going to teach you on how you can add your posts on Facebook. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is go and open your Facebook application. Once you open your Facebook application, you will be directed into your home page. And as you can see at the upper right corner of the screen, you'll see in here what's on your mind. To add your post on Facebook, simply tap on it. As you can see, you can type here on what's on your mind. You can also put a photo or video. For example, you want to put a photo or video, simply tap on it and select the photo that you want to upload. After that, you can choose an effects or filter. You can also change the privacy in here. Right now, I'll just change it to only me. And then tap on the done button. And then after that, tap on this post at the upper right corner of your screen. As you can see, it is posting. And now as you can see, your post was shared. There you go. If you wanted to know on how to post on Facebook, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how to add posts on Facebook, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.